the girls wear sequins, but they're not like your mother's sequins, right? Like, we can make this cute. Hi everybody, it's Saturday and I just wanted to show you my outfit right now. Our church is having a conference, so I just came back. We had like some great morning breakout sessions, but anyway, this shirt is from my church, Patriot Church. We have the best merch. And then the jeans are thrifted Forever 21, and my shoes are some New Balance. So you'll see it, I'll pop it up in the screen for you. So I wore this outfit today and I just want to show you guys because I'm feeling chatty. And also I was like, okay, this is cute, I'll put this on. I haven't done any weekly like OOTDs lately, but I will for sure. And also, let me stop being chatty. Oh, what I wanted to show you is, I think I want to style this. I want to style this top. It's a sequins top that I found at the thrift store. It's Adriana Papel. So I want to style this. I'm thinking I'm going to throw on some jeans with it. Let's just see how cute it looks. And then I also want to style these Adidas pants that I got from Amazon during the Prime Day. Now, these are a little fitted. I wanted them to be longer. I wanted them to be a little more loose, so I actually just ordered another pair, different color though. But we can still, I was gonna return these, but you know what I'm thinking? Like, we can still style these and they can be cute. It can be cute. So let's do the pants first. I want to show you guys what I'm thinking, and then let's do this, because we know that sequins, like, the girls wear sequins, but they're not like your mother's sequins, right? Like, we can make this cute with some jeans. I'm thinking I'm gonna put them with some Levi's. So let's do that really quickly and I'll get right back to you. All right, here's what we're thinking. Button down, which I did not iron it that well, so don't judge me. So this is like a Gap long sleeve button down shirt. And then I have the Adidas pants on and I have some heels on. So the reason why I'm thinking about returning these pants is because they are slim fitting. I wanted a baggier fit. I have another pair of Levi's, what am I talking about? I have another pair of Adidas track pants, and these are a wider fit. These are size small. They're both a size small, but I think because these are like the, I don't know what that is, but they don't have that original Adidas sign like these other ones. Well, this just has like Adidas on the side down there. I got these from Dick's Sporting Goods, and they're like the breakaway pants or whatever. But I think because, I don't know, these just fit slim. Anyway, this is the outfit I'm thinking about. What do we think? I'm looking in the mirror over here. I like it, but I don't know. I think the 3 stripes, the little thing right here, is throwing me off. Like, I'd rather have the originals Adidas sign, like this one right here. But that's just me. I don't know. Maybe I'm being too picky. But I think the outfit can work. I think the outfit can work. Here, let's try it with, I don't know if it will work with tennis shoes. Let's look though and see. So the only way I think it works with tennis shoes, if it's, now I'm not going to say the only way, but I'm going to say one of the ways that it works is with a high top sneaker. Then I also have some Steve Madden shoes that I haven't worn yet. They're leopard. So let me try those on as well. Oh my gosh, I got to find my shoes. Hold on one second. Okay, I've only laced up one leopard shoe, so that's all you're gonna get today. But I don't know about these pants. I don't know. I was looking on Reddit right now, and they were talking about the logo and how the logo of Adidas has changed over the years. So now apparently it's the 3 stripes, which I'm not a fan of. But so I don't know if I'll be keeping these, but I just wanted to try them on to see how they looked with a different pair of shoes. So the heels, the high top sneakers, and these leopard shoes. I think the heels and the high top sneakers are my better choice right now, but we'll see. You know what? Let's try these on for fun and we'll see how these do. I love this color, by the way. Oh my gosh, I love this color. I usually wear this with like a sweater, oversized sweater, but we'll see how it looks with this shirt. I don't know how that's gonna go. We'll see. I love these pants. I love these pants better than these. You can definitely tell the difference in like quality. Just the quality, the style, everything is different. These are good. These are good though. These feel really nice. But the style of these right here, oh my gosh, they're so good. They're so good. They're wide, they're flowy. I just put on a thrifted white blouse with it. This white blouse is a little different. It's not like straight across the edge. As you can see, like the back is longer or whatever. So I think that brings like some uniqueness to it and to the outfit as a whole. So I like this. I think this is really cute. And I like it with the heels. Oh wait, my button is not buttoned right there. Yeah, that's cute. Oh, that's really cute. Excuse the wrinkles, but this is the outfit. Now we're gonna style this top. Like I was saying before, it is thrifted, and either we're gonna wear it or we're gonna sell it on eBay. I started selling a few clothes on eBay, so we'll see. Oh no, I think I gotta keep this. I know I just said I might sell it, but I think I gotta keep this because this outfit is so cute. So I just paired this with my straight leg Levi's. What are they? Are they I don't know what they are. Are they 507s? I can't remember. But anyway, straight leg Levi's with the rips in the thing, with the rips in the knees, and then I just put my heels on. I can't zip it up though. Nobody's here to help me. Wait. Oh, I almost got it. Okay, so now it's zipped all the way up. But isn't this cute? I'm trying to figure out like where. Oh God, I can't zip it. Trying to figure out where would I wear this to. It's so cute though. I'm standing in front of the mirror looking at it. Jeans are a little wrinkled. I didn't iron these, but this is so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm not selling this. I'm keeping this. It's thrifted, and do you know I got it for like $5. Super duper cute. So look at the beadwork on here. It's a size small. Look at the beadwork. I mean, could you just... I don't know if I would pair this with anything else other than a pair of jeans because I don't want it to be super duper dressy. I want it to be like casual like this. Oh, but it is lovely. It is lovely. I didn't button my pants up all the way, but you guys get the drift. Yeah, I would wear this just like this. I don't even think, because I was thinking like my black satin skirt, but I don't think I would do that. It's going to be a pair of jeans, some heels, and this. So super duper cute. Hi guys, it is, what day is it today? Tuesday. So I got some shoes in from Nordstrom, so I wanted to do a little unboxing. Today I had to wear this because we were having a potluck for Boss's Day, so we had to wear like tailgate. It was like a tailgate theme. So I just have on this and some jeans. No big deal. But I wanted some Mary Jane heels, so I was on Nordstrom Rack the other night and I found this pair and I'm gonna show you. Hope everybody is well today. Oh my gosh, it rained so hard here in Southern California. It was raining all day. It's not raining now. Okay, let's look. These are Eurosoft. Eurosoft, and not sponsored or anything, but I just thought these are cute. Are they cute? Oh no, look at that. Wait a minute. So I just wanted some Mary Janes to go with like dresses and stuff. I think this would be so cute with a dress and some brown tights. However, I don't like what is this right here? Like, I feel like, I don't know. All right, what size is this? 7. I ordered a 7 and a 7.5. The 7 hasn't got here yet because people online were saying that it was, that they were too tight. So I was like, let me just order both of them. Okay, let me see. How do I, oh, it's just Velcro. It ain't even, oh yeah, ouch, ouch. They are too tight. I'm glad I got that 7.5. So we will return these. Well, it's actually not that bad. Let me show you guys. Okay, so let me show you real quick. I'm gonna have to shoot it long ways because that's the only way you'll be able to see it. But these are cute, right? Don't pay attention to the outfit because it's not gonna go with the outfit. It's actually gonna go with another dress that I have. So I'll probably have to do another video for that. But these are really cute. Now, I do think I want the 7.5 because the 7 is a little fitted, but I like how they look. And another thing, I'm like, you know what? Not all shoes are cheap, but so instead of it actually being a buckle, it's this right here. Okay. All right, that's that. Good morning. Good morning. Hopefully you can hear me. I got my radio running in the back. You know what? Let me turn it off. Okay, it's Wednesday. I did an outfit of the day before I left for work, so you can see it here. What is it? Okay, this jacket from Target that I got last year, maybe the year before. I can't remember. It's kind of like a trucker jacket. And then I have this fitted top from Target. It's universal thread, and I actually got it in the estate sale. The jeans are from Nordstrom BP, so like the junior section. They're like low rise or whatever, and I think they're PTCL. And then the shoes are super dry, which I got a while ago, some high top shoes. So I was like, let me just, some days you feel it and some days you don't. This morning I woke up, I had a little bit of energy, I worked out, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna try to go ahead and shoot this before I leave because, when I get home, it's just like a different story. I'm tired. But anyway, that's that. It's Wednesday. I hope you guys have a great day. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure to click on one of my other recent videos, which will be here somewhere, and I will see you in the next one.